The New Hampshire Attorney General's office is examining a provocative legal claim that could prevent former President Donald Trump from appearing on ballot in 2024 presidential election due to his role in January 6 uprising at U.S. Capitol. Attorney General John Formella and Secretary of State David Scanlan issued a joint statement Tuesday, saying their offices are following a legal debate on Section 3 of 14th Amendment, and Formella's office is reviewing the associated legal issues at request Scanlan's office. The 14th Amendment to Constitution was passed after Civil War, and its third section disqualifies anyone who involves in rebellion or insurrection against United States after taking oath of office from serving in a federal office. This month, two conservative legal experts pre-published an article arguing that the episode prevented Trump from running for president again. On Monday, a conservative talk show host urged Trump supporters to aid Scanlan's office by making phone calls to reassure him that Secretary of State overseeing the New Hampshire election would not prevent Trump from being on ballot. NBC News reported. For the NBC Boston he took a stand on whether Article 3 of the 14th Amendment applies to the upcoming elections. This will allow the trial, one of 4 active cases facing Trump, to begin in New Hampshire, just as the nation's first primary elections are held. A judge has set trial start date for March 4, 2024. In federal case against former President Donald Trump regarding allegations to falsify results of 2020 presidential election. Professors William Baude of the University of Chicago Law School and St. Thomas University's Michael Stokes Paulsen's constitutional argument will be the University Pennsylvania Law Review. This could form the basis of a lawsuit to oppose Trump's candidacy in the upcoming election. Former Arkansas Governor Asa Hutchinson, who is running for Republican presidential nomination, touched on the issue in party's first presidential debate last week. Hutchinson said, "As a result of rebellion, 14th Amendment may be disqualified from presidency again pursuant to this is something that could disqualify him under our rules and Constitution. This week we end the first Republican debate and take the pulse of Boston business." According to constitutional law expert Kent Greenfield of Boston College of Law, there is no doubt that this issue will be taken to the courts and the question will focus on interpretation. It largely depends on how we think about January 6, he said. Was it during the riot? Was it the riot? New Hampshire GOP Chairman Chris Ager was angered by the debate, saying he and his state party would likely intervene if the debate continued to gain traction. He wasn't convicted of anything, Ager said, adding there's an old saying you can blame the ham sandwich. But Republican attorney Corky Messner, who won Trump's support in the 2020 U.S. Senate election in New Hampshire and lost to